Oh, what's up, lovelies? Okay. It was about 5 minutes ago. I just finished. I look crazy. My last final, it was so hard. I didn't even finish it. I had one whole question not done, which was 15 points. I tried my best though. I had to upload stuff in a certain amount of time and it wasn't loading. I'm just like, let me upload it, and it took longer than I expected, so I couldn't go back to the problem. Start of my Christmas vlog or whatever. It is Wednesday, December 22nd. I'm still in New York. The cases are just rising, so I really need to get home. I'm so excited to go home, sleep in my bed, see my dogs. Yes, I wrap my hair like it's a stuffed press. Me and my stylist went with the no baby hair look. I think it looks good. My lace is like a little crusty, but that's neither here or there. And yeah, I dyed this wig myself. I will say it sheds a lot. I think I might have over processed it or something, I don't know, but it does shed a whole bunch. I have like a video on this hair already, so I'm starving. I'm about to eat me some food. I really deserve a Starbucks, but I don't feel like walking all the way over to Starbucks, so let me just walk on over to my dining hall for her. I'm back home in St. Louis. I have a bunch of boxes to unbox, because I got all my gifts and stuff shipped here, because I knew trying to ship them to New York and then bring them all the way in my suitcase to St. Louis, no. So here are all the gifts that I have to unpack. Okay, these are not all gifts. I am going on a trip soon. I ordered my trip stuff here as well. Small packages first. Amazon. Okay, so I got this t-shirt. I think I got this for my sister. Next, I got this little necklace for my sister. Next, this is something for my trip, so I'm gonna save this. Okay, these are some earrings that I got for my sister. This is for my mom because it's a 2X and it's just another like Columbia sweatshirt. Okay, this is a hoodie for a friend, so I'm not gonna open this up either. I think this is a wristlet for my sister. This is her like Bridgestone color. These are for my friend as well, and there's some essentials sweatpants. Okay, this is another one. I don't know who I'm gonna give this to. I don't know what size people wear. I need to ask my mom. Okay. Black over the knee boots. So this is what they look like. Very simple. Okay, next. That's weird. They don't put receipts in stock on StockX stuff no more. Like, my dad this Versace beanie. It's cute. Okay, 2 more things. So I don't know. They look tiny, but these look super small. I don't know if she can fit these. Oh, I ordered this from Turkey. Oh yeah, she's gonna love this. Oh, it's not gonna be long enough for her though. Tired. Okay, that was all the gifts. And I'm gonna open up the stuff that I got for my trip. This top looks a little tiny. And then this little skirt. This looks extremely tiny. This is some type of top. They're long and flowy. Oh yeah, this is cute. It's a very sexy. I don't know who boobies is gonna fit, but here's the top. Here are the pants. The pants are so cute. I love the pants. They're just like zebra. Give it up for the dress. I'm gonna body this. This is bad. Bikini. And here are the bottoms. Baby, this is a thong. It's like a wraparound cover up. This super cute dress.
I be so sick of you niggas, you're contradicting. I be so bored myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, still when you won't crown me. Treat me like all the right, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no steady with you, you know you my plug, and I can't take this habit, no. I've been down, baby.
Hey y'all, driving. I just got my wax. I just went to my wax appointment. I didn't film in there because I feel like that's just a little too much. Now I'm on my way to a Marshall's because I need to get a planner because I really want to get back on my YouTube stuff, and I just want to really organize. I want to make a budget for myself because I haven't done that. Like, I just spend money, and as long as I see like a certain number in my account, I think I'm fine. When really I could save so much money. Like I could be saving way more than I am. And I just use the excuse to like, oh, I'm in college, oh, I'm in New York, it's so expensive here. Like as long as I have this, like,
stay in the middle 2 lanes,
consistent amount of money in my account, I'm fine. But I know I can just manage my money better and just spend better, because I'm getting older and, you know, I want to save up for stuff that I want and not just spend it on crappy stuff. But nonetheless, I have a 2:30 nail appointment.
in 1 mile, turn left onto Oxford Boulevard.
I'm sorry, but I have a 2:30 nail appointment. I don't have a tripod in my car. You guys know the drill. It's currently 1:58. I'm just gonna run into Marshall's, and the nail appointment is not that far away from Marshall's. I'm supposed to be going on a trip to St. Thomas in 2 days. No, in 3 days. It's a lot of stuff going on with that. Omarion is very real. He's here, and the girls that I'm going with are from school, so they're mostly in New York right now. And if you don't know, in New York right now, it is so hard to get a test, and in order to travel out of the country, you have to get a COVID test within 3 days of your travel time. So they're really struggling to get that, and if they don't get it, we're not going. And if I test, and I've been sick the past couple of days, but I thought it was just because of I got a booster shot, so I'm thinking it's because of that. But if I have it, I can't go. So I'm getting a test tomorrow though, but fingers crossed we all get to go. A lot of our appointments have gotten canceled for like maintenance and stuff just because everyone's sick. But we said that if we can't, if we
pass this light, then at the next one, turn left.
Told you I'm sick. That if we can't work this out, too many people are sick, if people can't get their COVID test in time, then we'll just move it to spring break. It's not really a big deal. Our health is way more important than going on a trip. But I still really want to go. I mean, we all want to go. We've been planning this since the beginning of the school year, and now it's time has come, and COVID, like, ew. I'm so tired of him or her, whoever it is. It's getting on my nerves. Oh, what's up y'all? It's Tuesday, January 4th, and I just made it to the mall. I'm in my mom's car. My dad was using mine, so I just made it to the mall. My mission in here is to find Zania a gift, and then I need to go to Sephora and get some makeup. Mall is not crowded, which we love that. And yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna film in here, honestly. I might, but I just want to update you guys. It's so bright outside. I was telling my parents, like, in New York it's never this bright. I feel like a vampire. Mom was like, you're so pale. I'm like, girl, I know. Girl, I know. I get no vitamin D out there. But yeah, I'm about to head on in here. I have a meeting. I'm supposed to meet my friends at 2, so I have to hurry up and do this. Hopefully I can do one more other errand because I have so much to do, y'all. But yeah, let's get into it. Hey y'all, I'm back at home. Let me turn her on. I'm watching Amina Coca. I don't know if you guys know her, but I really like her. She's from New York. I'm back home. It is the same day. I still have on the same clothes. Unfortunately, I did not find Zania anything, so I'm gonna have to order it and just tell her, you know, I have it, just not with me, basically, which is super sad because I ran to a whole bunch of different stores and everything, and I just could not pull through. And I just didn't want to get her anything that was just mediocre. I'd rather get you something that you actually like and want to wear. So yeah, so that's the plan for that. I'll probably buy that tonight. I went to the bank, I took out money. I did all my other responsibilities. I went to Wally World as well. What else? Okay, now this is the state of my room. Treacherous. So I'm going to have to pack now. That's why I'm watching YouTube and I'm just starting to pack. I don't think you guys want to see that. I might set you guys up for a little bit while I pack, but I do need to charge my camera. I do need to charge my camera and things. But yeah, my plane leaves tomorrow at 6:45, so I'm gonna be up mad early. I'm so excited. I just don't want to forget anything, because from here I'm going to St. Thomas, and from St. Thomas I'm going to New York. So I have to have everything that I'm bringing back to New York along with me. So I'm gonna have 2 suitcases. One is going to be like dedicated to New York stuff and just like stuff that I brought home, and then the other one is going to be for the other stuff. I think I am going to retry on all of my clothes that I'm packing for the trip.